Hello, Minnie. We have met the last time. I'm Edwina. How do you feel today?
Good, thank you.
Okay. Was it okay coming here?
Yes,
Okay. Now, like the last time, we'll pray that our session goes well today. Summarizing from our last session, I'd explained to you confidentiality, but I will repeat it again. What you tell me will be confidential. The only time I will tell someone else is if when you're hurting yourself or someone else or committing any crime. Is that okay?
yes,
You had also signed for me a consent form for our sessions to be recorded. That still remains, right?
yes,
Okay. You had also told me a little bit about your family, your parents, and you have two younger brothers who are studying and working. Also, a little about your extended family, about your grandparents and others in the family. With regard to you personally, you had told me that your relationship with Charlie, your partner, is not on a very good footing. Okay? Also, as far as work is concerned, you are a computer programmer, but you have no work satisfaction. And you don't receive any credit for the work you do. Minnie, let me know if I'm wrong or right at any time. Okay?
sure.
Regarding your friends, you're not much in contact with, but to a few from the school, you have maintained contact via the net as they are in different countries now. And that your interest is not much like cooking, washing, cleaning, but what makes you really happy is traveling, right?
Yes,
Okay. But sometimes you feel low in comparison with what your friends have achieved. They have become mothers and you have a longing for children too. Okay, right?
yes,
Yeah. In the last session, I introduced you to meditation, and that was for a sense of well being. In this meditation, you had to sit comfortably, cross legged, and do breathe in and breathe out exercises. Have you been doing it?
yes.
Okay. And have you been doing it on a daily basis?
At least every alternate day.
Okay. Do you think you can do it on a daily basis?
I could try.
Okay. And how did that make you feel?
It worked on the days I was able to do it. It did help me.
Okay. Now, today I will introduce you to cognitive journaling.
Yes,
There are two types of journaling I'll introduce you to. One type of journaling where you have to record your positive aspects of your life,
yes,
and another one is about the events in your life.
yes,
Now, in cognitive journaling, you have to, all you have to do is take a notebook and jot down on a daily basis any events which occur in your life.
yes,
And I can explain to you that. So, firstly, you can jot down your thoughts and feelings on any incident which occurred during the day.
yes,
And the next one, you have to write what you think or feel on that event
okay,
and describe it in detail.
yes,
Got it? Next, the third part,
yes,
write down your thoughts and feelings and how you judge this event or this incident which took place.
yes,
Means how you feel on the event, whether you have good feelings or bad feelings, or you feel positive or negative on those feelings.
yes,
And in the third section, fourth one, write the event down on one side, what incident,
yes,
and your thoughts and the judgment you have made on the other side.
yes,
Okay? And then challenge your thinking on this.
yes,
That what would you think differently than what you already thought and judged.
okay,
Okay. Now, if you don't understand, you can always ask me,
Yes.
okay, and I can give you written down on paper.
Yes.
Okay, so that it makes it easier. Okay, now there is another type of journaling which you can do
Yes.
if you feel it easier. Take a notebook and write on a daily basis.
Yes.
Firstly, the positive qualities you see in yourself.
Yes.
Okay. Then, secondly, find in your past or present negative beliefs regarding yourself.
Yes.
Okay. Then, thirdly, record incidents that occur in your life that do not match the negative belief.
Okay.
Means certain things which have happened in your life which you feel are positive, but your thinking was negative.
Okay.
That means they don't match the negative beliefs. Okay. And fourthly, act against the old belief. The
Yes.
old belief you have about something, say I'm not capable, act against it.
Okay.
And in your head, and then observe the result.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the two types of journaling I have introduced you to. Whichever you feel you're comfortable with, I will be giving it to you on paper. You do that. Would you be comfortable attempting it?
I can, but if you could help me with either of them
Okay.
with some examples, please.
Okay, I will do that. I will give it to you in writing. Okay. And then from time to time, keep reading it.
Okay.
Because the positive aspects and your events which occurred in your life. Keep reading it and see how you feel about it. Now, I've given you the two types of journaling, and I will give you the papers also explaining both how it goes. And so, do you have any questions on this?
If we could do one journal today, both together, if you have the time.
Okay.
And then maybe I can do the rest before the next session.
Yeah,
Would that be okay?
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so we will try and do that. Okay, and so in our next session, then we will review how you have gone with the two types of journaling.
Yes.
And will you be able to continue meditation too?
Sure.
Okay. So let's sit and do both the journaling so that it becomes easier for you.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Edwina.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for this session. Until we meet again the next session.
Yes.
Okay. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you, Edwina.
Yeah.